Hello and happy Friday, everybody. It's Brian McCarthy with Compass coming back at you in the new year. Happy New Year to you. It's Friday, January 7th, 2022. Hope everyone's year is off to a great start. Um, Today, I'm going to be going over a few stats just around the Hoboken area right now about what's active to show you that we're starting off Q1 very strong with lots to choose from. Next week, I'm going to get into the December market recap. I don't have all the stats yet, and I want those to be complete before I share those with you. So in 1 week, I'll have like a Q4 and a December 2021 wrap up for you. But today, I'm going to get into what's out there in the Hoboken market, and then just want to talk to you guys real quick about some interesting stats I saw around Manhattan over the past year, and then the job market as well, just to kind of show everybody that everything's going strong into the new year. So real quick, Hoboken right now has 132 active for sale listings, and that's across the board with apartments, condos, single family to multifamily. They range between 335,000 for the most affordable. That's a one bed, one bath at 719 Adams, all the way to the most expensive right now is 614 Hudson Street. That is a two family property listed for 6,999,000. It's got 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms across those two apartments. And that brings us to an average price, because that one is super high. Asking price right now of $1,000,000.35 basically. We'll take the median price though, because that's going to average them out a little bit better. Right now is 897,000. But if you're looking for a one bedroom, let's see, we got 34 for sale right now. Those range from 335,000 to 1,650,000 with a median price of $505,000. That most affordable run right now, 719 Adams. That is a one bed, one bath, 585 square feet on the first floor. And let's see what's on the market for two bed, two bath here. I'm sorry, just the two bedroom. Two bedrooms ranging right now between 444,000 to 1.425 with an average of $750,000 or a median of 700,000. And three bedroom apartments broken down, 27 of those available right now between 640,000 and $3 million. Let's see how many four bedrooms are on the market, shall we? Just 4 plus. All right, we got 10 4-bed plus apartments on the market. Those start at 999,000 for 707 Madison Street. 4-bed, 2-bath, to that a single family 618 Bloomfield, 5-bed, 5-bath. So historically, Q1 has been kind of a slow quarter around our area and around the country, but with everything that's happened over the past 2 years, and all the signs have been pointing to a very strong Q1. And as we've seen right here, we didn't take too much of a dip in inventory right now. So there is still lots to choose from. It is a great time to be a buyer or a seller, and Q1 will definitely be that this year. All right, so switching gears here, I want to talk about some interesting stats I saw about New York City. And I like talking about New York every once in a while because we are definitely an ancillary market to Manhattan and Brooklyn and those areas, just because we are so close. So many people like to live here because it's a lot more affordable. You can get a little bit more space than Manhattan, but still super easily commutable to get there. So Urban Digs had some stats here that says by October 2021, contract signings in Manhattan smashed the previous record of 2013 of signed contracts, which was at 12,520. Property closings in 2021 more than doubled what was closed in 2020. 2021 more than doubled what was in 2020. And although supply was up 18% in 2021, buyer activity was so strong in Manhattan, the inventory was driven to below zero in 9 out of the 11 months in 2021 that they had calculated by the mid-December. So as demand was higher, so were prices. The luxury sector in Manhattan is considered 4 million plus. That increased 19% from the previous record. And overall, Manhattan buyers spent over 30 billion with a B, $30 billion in Manhattan in 2021. There is an appraisal company called Miller Samuel that noted that NYC apartments with terraces sold on average 5.4% more in 2021 than before. And New York City rentals with outdoor space were up 270% last year. Also of note in Brooklyn, bidding wars, or actually over a quarter, 25.5% of the sales in Brooklyn ended in bidding wars. And Brooklyn was a good, just like Hoboken and the Gold Coast, kind of on the other side, offers a bit more space, greater privacy, and more outdoor space than New York City. Interest rates right now took a little uptick from about Christmas, I would say, or the week of Christmas. It held steady about for a 30-year fixed at 3.25% interest rate. As of earlier this week, there was a slight uptick, about an eighth of a percent, to 3.375 for that 30-year fixed. And that's where it's been holding steady since Tuesday. CNN Business. So talking about labor market here a little bit, I thought this was interesting. And then I'll let you guys go, and we'll plug back in next week for some 2021 wrap-up stats. But CNN Business had an article this week, a record 4.5 million Americans voluntarily left their jobs in November, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The highest quit rate was in the hospitality industry, with 6.1% of those employees leaving their jobs. People quitting their jobs, though, are not leaving the workforce. America added 10.6 million jobs in the same month of November, only slightly below the most recent record, which was 11.1 million jobs last July. And the biggest sectors that are adding jobs are in finance, insurance, and the federal government, actually. So that's pretty cool. I think that kind of shows that, the labor market is strong enough that people that are unhappy with their jobs can easily leave that and upgrade or find something that's a little bit better or more suitable for them, which also opens up, those jobs to other people that are looking. So one big indicator to the housing market is job security. So this is a good stat. And I just saw a headline today from Bloomberg that talked about this being a really good month for jobs, and the job report just came out today too. So I'll talk about that a little bit tomorrow or next week. Hope everybody's having a good day. Stay safe. I know I just got back from shoveling the sidewalk and taking my kids to a late opening. So hope everyone's enjoying their Friday. Have a great weekend. As always, I'm around if you guys have any questions or comments or suggestions on what I can go over. Always happy to hear from you all. Again, it's Brian at Compass, and I hope you all have a good one. Take care.